spring. Oh, hey! You going south?
No, I'm going west.
Well, that's okay with me. I'm just traveling along. Just anyways. My name is Andy Wilson, better known as Sunshine. Sunbeams of summer, what is like thee? Hope of the wilderness, joy of the sea. Shakespeare. Oh, look out! Say, now listen, you know, you gotta be careful. There's more accidents. There's... You kidding, huh? Look! Oh, no! Stop me for just a minute! Stop me! I want to die! Hold on! Just a minute!
Oh, Mrs. Cellini has refused my portrait of her. She's insulted me. Oh, and her husband promised me $10,000 to paint the new city hall. Oh, now she says I cannot paint.
Well, why don't you try some other business?
Ah, I don't know any other business.
Well, I know,
Let me go.
You let me go. You can always learn some other business.
You let me go.
Stop.
Wait a minute.
Stand back.
No, this
No,
way.
no,
I will.
no.
I'm going.
No, you're...
I'm going.
No. Now, look. Now, things are not as bad as they seem. They never are. The birds are singing. The sun is shining. Everything in...
Oh, black. Black is the future.
I know it looks black, but every cloud has a silver lining. Oh, well, anyway, watch a little rain. Think how much worse it might be. Think of the Johnstown flood.
By golly, you don't know the troubles I got.
I know the troubles you got, but after all, we all have troubles. See, the rain's over. The rain is over. Now, human troubles are just like that. One moment black, the next gone.
By golly, I wish I had your philosophy.
Well, I'm right, eh?
Yeah, by golly, I believe you're right.
Of course I'm right. Now, that's your spirit. Now, cheer up there. Now, there. Leave your troubles to little Sunshine Wilson.
Yeah, I will. Sunshine, you're my pal. You saved my life.
Now, that's all right. I was glad to do it.
Yeah, thanks. Come, let's go.
Sure.
Sunshine, this is my studio.
It's nice, huh?
Hello, girls. Hello. Good afternoon, Mr. Ludenbeck. You're late today.
Well, no more work today, girls. Go on home and come back tomorrow. Sunshine, make yourself right at home.
Thanks, Oscar. Oh, excuse me, I did.
Isn't that nice?
And you wanted to jump over a cliff?
Yes. And there is the reason.
Oh, that's the picture, huh?
Mrs. Cellini refuses my masterpiece because she says the left ear listens too much.
Well, by gosh, I believe it does at that.
It does. I feel just like a broken blossom.
Now, don't get downhearted. Hold your head up like a little pansy.
I will.
That's the spirit.
Pardon me. Hello. Yeah, this is Oscar Luckenbach speaking. Who? It's the Cellinis.
Have you changed my wife's ear?
Well, I'm awfully sorry. Well, I couldn't get to it. You see, the ear is still listening.
Oh, now listen, don't weaken. Snap your fingers at him. Be a man. Oh,
Don't do that.
Ah! He snapped the fingers of the great Cellini.
Let go, I'm insulted.
I will. You have painted my last wife's ear, I mean, you have painted my wife's last picture. I'm coming to the studio with blood in my eyes.
Oh, Himmel!
Is he mad?
Mad, he's coming up here to get me.
He's coming. Oh.
No, my friend. You snap your fingers at him, now you stay here and receive him.
Yeah, but if he's mad, I don't want to...
Besides, it is me, Lugenbach, that he is after.
I know, but just the same, I want...
But remember, he's coming up here with blood in his eyes.
I don't want to meet anyone with bloodshot eyes. Oh. There is no doubt about it, the ear is large. Well, I'll paint one myself. I'll... Give me time. It's still in the rough, you know. It's... Mrs. Cellini. How is it? Pretty good, huh? Say, what, no... Now, look out. Say, now, look, you're gonna spot... Now, look, don't... Say, listen. Oh, now, look, what's your... Oh, go on, get out of here. Shoo, you dirt. Oh, no. Now, please, nice monkey. Nice, no. Oh, I'll tell you what, you've spoiled the whole thing. Oh, no, cut it. Will you please... Guard. Cellini. Mr. Cellini?
Yes, I am Cellini.
Yeah, my name is Andy Wilson, better known as Sunshine.
Let's look him back.
Well, he just stepped out for a minute. He'll be right...
Sung with an best.
Oh.
Ah! That is the insult.
Yeah.
That is the... I will fix.
Yeah.
I will fix. I will slash everything.
Go ahead. Venice, sure.
I will buy it from you if you come to my house and hang it in the best place. Oh, you are a genius. I discover you.
Yeah.
Oh, I must kiss you.
No.
Oh, Mrs. Cellini, I'm deeply indebted to you for inviting me here to meet this great artist.
It is through you that I have met the great Mr. Wilson. So I forgive you for this awful picture of my wife.
Oh, so the contract to paint the new city hall is still good?
Sure, it is still good. After he hangs the picture, you can paint the whole town.
Sunset over Venice. Georgie, we're mixing with society.
We're hanging his masterpiece. So please don't let us disturb it with a single sound. Please, quiet. Oh. Something must have gone wrong.
Somebody, get me out of this darn thing. Stuck in the wire.
Come on.
Oh, for the love of... Oh.
Hey, senor, be careful. Even from a genius, enough is too much.
Now, don't get impatient. I just had a little accident.
Impatient? How about my guests? How about my picture?
I'm hanging the picture. I'm just... is there an attic upstairs?
Yes.
Well, go on up there and wait.
Yes, but don't go too far. Because when I get blood in my eye, I cannot see straight. Yes, sir.
Getting blood in his eye again.
Georgie, bring the basin bit.
Come on, hurry up. Oh.
Sugar? Yes, I have it. All right. What's the matter? Oh, what is the matter here?
We don't need a hole that big. Now tie them up together and come down.
Do tell us all about him. Oh, do.
Well, all I know is my husband's just crazy about him.
Ah! Oh! Only a genius could have thought of such a place like this.
Now, don't start acting again now, please.
I'll bring the guests. They will be in ecstasies.
That man's cocoa is a bedbug.
Come, everybody. The picture is hung. Here's the great artist.
I'm not telling. Go look for it.
All right, I'll do it.
No, you're still cold. She's still cold.
Please tell me where did you hang it?
Will I tell her?
Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, he will tell you now.
Oh, I know my landscapes.
It's so realistic the sun seems actually to move.
No fooling, huh? You like it?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, that's good. Your wife is crazy about it, you know. She...
Kennesso! I feel faint. Kennesso! I'm insulted.
La vendetta alla famiglia!
Oh, my.
Hey! Oh! So, you ruined my contract!
summer, what is like the hope of the wilderness, joy of the sea?
Honey,